Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here the daily candle is finished, and as you see it how it's finished, guys, look at it. It's very beautiful candle, and I'll make it to finish like that. As I tell it to you, also we are in a sideways market. As you see what the market done to you here, let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. So as you see, that green one, what it did, and that green one, by the way, that one is red, sorry. So what the market is doing here, because the big Bitcoin holders, they said they are not going to sell, guys. So there is no supply now in the market. It's only the demand, and those day traders, those ones who still in the market now. But big whales who holding big Bitcoin, they said they are not going to sell. And here what did I told you guys? If you remember here, what did I told you? Also we got here. Look at it, very clear here. Now, I told you got a head and shoulder, guys. People, they follow me, I tell it to you. I told you got a head and shoulder, guys, here. Yes or no? Should you enter now? Not yet, guys. Why? I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to show you my chart. Look here, guys. What you got here? You got that yellow level, as you see it. It came to it, that candle which is going today. That one here. What it indicating here? Here. What it indicating? Guys, there is a big portion from that level, guys. We go into 4 hours, we're going to find a different candle. So that level is still very stronger, that level here, that yellow one. Everything is too clear, guys? When we will enter, guys, if the market came and break for us that level here. If it came and break for us that trend line here, that white one, us we're going to enter. Till now, it's not yet. We need to wait in more confirmation, guys. Because that one is an investment. It's for long term, guys. If you enter from here in daily, it's for long term. It's need at least that week to finish. And I'm going to tell you why it's need that week to finish, guys. Now, let me show you the coming news for tomorrow. For the picture to be more clear to you guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we're putting for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin, guys. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to all to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can join even our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment, guys. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let me go and show you the coming news, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys. That's the coming news for tomorrow. As you see it here, what you got, guys? Look with me very close. By the way, all the time here is it with GMT, guys. We got at 12:30 in the noon, we got the GDP of USA, guys. You saw it or not? That one is very, 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 very important. Long-term investors, they trade about the GDP, guys. What we got else? Look with me here. Initial job claims, guys. And if you been a stock trader, what you see in those days in the stock market of USA, majority of the companies, they suck away workers, guys. Majority of the companies in USA. Name anyone, you're going to find it, they suck workers those days, guys. What that indicating to you? That one is going to come negative, guys. And the US dollar is going to go higher. Because the US dollar today, it fell down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. You need to make a close eye at that one, what it's saying, guys. And what is it here, guys? Look with me here. Our friend, the VIX. It showed today a rejection. It came to 30, but also still above 30, guys. As you see it here. Should you buy when the VIX is it above 30, guys? That are investment. That not just throwing money from the window, guys. Everything is too clear. And let me to show you why I told you it's need that week to finish, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. And to know the difference between us and other channels, guys, because us that our job. Us we just putting those videos for you here, just like it's extra things. We try to help other people, guys, but us we earning money by those things, by trading, guys. Also, we're not earning money from here in YouTube. Also, here in YouTube, our videos, they get only 100 views. Everything is too clear, guys. Let me show you why you need to that week to finish, guys. That week, look with me very, 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 very close here, guys. What that news saying? What that news saying, guys? What it's saying here? Read only the title. Also, I'm not going to read the whole topic. What it's saying? Bitcoin hold at 19K, but volatility accepted as Friday 2.2 billion BTC option expire approaches. What that meant? There is 2.2 billion expire approach. People they trade option, they know what man the expiration date. So you need to wait in at least after Friday, guys. That one is very, 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 very important money. There is huge money here, guys, as you see it, because some of them they sell, some of them they buy, so we need to wait in the expiration what is going to tell us, guys. Everything is too clear, and also we're going to update you guys every day 2 videos, guys, so like that you're going to be more notified, guys. So this Friday, as you see, 2.2 billion BTC option expire, guys. People they trade option, they know those things, they know what man the expiration date, they know all those things. So you need to make a close eye at that one, guys. And the option they play a big role. And the big wells that what they using to hedge against the risk, guys. If they are going to take it off that money from here and put it in the Bitcoin to buy from lower, or they are going to hedge against the risk, guys. If they hedge against the risk, that's when you're going to see the Bitcoin at 10k. If they took it that money from here, that 2.2 billion, that one, and they put it in the Bitcoin or crypto market, what's going to happen, guys? The market cap is going to enter in it 2.2 billion, guys. So you need to make a close eye at that one, guys. How the whales they are thinking, guys. That's how you need to invest. Everything is too clear, guys. And let me show you something else extra, guys. That one is the DXY or US dollar, guys. What it's indicating here. Look at it. It came here. It came today, that big red candle. And by the way, he gave us here a very well-known pattern. That one I explained it before. We call it the hangman. So that one is a pattern indicating the market is going to fall down, guys. Yes or no? Should it fall down a lot? Because the market is being here. When it's breaking that level here, that one now, it needs to react here like a support. If it reacted here like a support, what that meant? It meant the Bitcoin it will go till here, guys. As you see it, I got it here with yellow. And what that level here, it meant to you guys. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Look at it, guys. Look at that level, I'll show you. Where it's been at it in 2001, guys. Now, it's break it, guys. Like here, as you see it. It's been at that level where we are at 2000. Where it fell down. The last high at 119, guys. Is it here? The one with yellow. And that I put it with yellow because us, that's the job of us, guys. Us we give you very highly accurate signals, guys. Not like majority, they never ever trade. You know what I'm saying, guys, or no? That level here, it just gone to react here like a support. We'll see if it's going to react like a support or it's going to react like a resistance, and that break is going to be a fake breakout. Should you buy now, guys? Not yet. I collected everything to you guys. I show you the Bitcoin chart. I show you that level we got in the Bitcoin. I show you what is coming this week. I show you the news, and I show you the DXY or US dollar index, guys. What that indicating to you guys? The DXY it's still long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. It's our indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it. How many give us here? Calculating with me. 1, 2, here in the top, 2, and down 2. Now us, our view, it need to give us here the chart 1, then after that it's going to fall down, guys. Everything is in front of you, guys. And where we are, where we still? We're still in the control of the bears, guys. There is no buying yet. The long-term trend, you are in a downtrend, guys. That the long-term trend hasn't came and breaking for you, that one. And that one also being followed from 2021, guys. Also, we are in a downtrend from 2021, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? It's our other indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like, my friend? Go smashing the like button, helping us guys to growing up more that channel. People, they give you just rubbish analysis, guys, and they got millions of subscribers. Also, we give you very, very, very highly accurate analysis, guys, and we still only 1,000 subscribers. Helping us, guys, by just liking the video, writing down a comment. If you could share the video, you do it, my friend. Thank you very, very, very much, and I appreciate all the help and the support you're giving to this channel, guys. Thank you very, 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 very much. And here, what did I told you, guys? The head and shoulder we got in the daily, we got it here, even in our indicator, guys. As you see it, it's very clear here in our indicator. Look at it. That the shoulder, that the head, that the next shoulder. And now it's breaking, guys. Should you buy? Me personally, I think it's still early, guys. But you, if you buy, that is up to you, guys. Because me, I think, and as I tell it to you, I'm going to wait till after Friday, guys. And the weekly candle to close to give me a bullish signal. That's where I'm going to enter. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, it's still the same divergence, guys, as you see it. Very clear divergence there. Look at it. You see it or not? Look, if we bring from here to here, and if we bring from here to here, what you seeing, guys? The very clear divergence. In the chart, it's going down. In that indicator of us, it's going up. Another place, we got a divergence. Look at it here and here. You got another divergence, guys. Yes or no? Should you buy? Not yet, guys. What else we saying? Also, we said that indicator of us to be at the oversold, the price to be in a very stronger level. And yes, you are in a very stronger level, guys. And we make it more stronger. The long-term investors, they said they are not going to sell anymore. So now it's only day traders and scalpers, and demand is high, but the supply is very low. So there is no Bitcoin in the market. And when it's going to come 2023, guys, you're going to see it going very high because people who got Bitcoin, they don't want to sell it. When should we enter, guys? If the market came and breaking for us that level here. If it's breaking here, I am the first one I'm going to tell you buy, guys. Everything is too clear. It's waiting what the market is going to react to that trend line here. So now let's go into the 4 hours, guys, to see what the market doing right now in the 4 hours so the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. And here in the 4 hours, what did we said? Look with me. What did we said here? Here, what did we said, guys? And here, what did we said, guys? Like that. What did we said? Calculating with me, we said 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one, it came and break, but it went down. Yes or no? Now, the start, guys. Down how much we said? First, second, third, fourth, and the fifth one is here, guys. Yes or no? And what did I told you me in the last video, guys? I told you the level of 60 is it here, between 60 and 50. I'm talking here about Fibonacci, guys. Even if we bring it again, look at it. Look at it, guys. What me I told you. Look with me here, very close, guys. That green one here, that one, is it 50? That one here is 0.61, guys. What that candle here indicating to you, as you see it, guys. Look at it. What it's indicating, that candle here is a big pin bar, guys. And what did I told you me in the last video, guys? What did we do? We just bring him from here, from that last low to here to 61. And where did we set the Bitcoin it will go? We said it will go till here, till 1.61, guys. It's not 100%, but that how us we analyzing, guys. It might the Bitcoin go till here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. That level, by the way, here is it at 17,765, guys. Everything is too clear. By the way, to show you how I draw those things, last video I show you exactly how I did it. So now what should you do, guys? Should you buy? Should you sell? It's not yet, guys. And our friend, what is telling you here down, guys? Our friend, what is telling you, guys, there? Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. As you see it, what is telling you? Who is winning here? Look, who is winning? The greens, guys. The greens, they are winning here. Yes or no? That pin bar will come. Is it that one, guys? The volume of it is very low. That's what me I told you. I told you long-term investors, they said they are not going to sell anymore because they are against the inflation is it now in USA and around the world, and they said they are not going to sell. They are not going to allow the Bitcoin to follow the stock market. And that one is going to be the best news you can hear in this bear market, guys. Should you buy now? Not yet, guys. They're a small investor compared to those people, guys. They're a very small investor compared to those people. As I tell you, waiting that week to finish, and we're going to see how it's going to finish when the options or Bitcoin options finish it, what they are going to do. If they are going to buy extra options for another period of time, or they are going to bring that money to put it in Bitcoin, guys. That is going to indicate into you one thing. What is it? If they came and they buy in here, you're going to see a big volume, guys. And that is going to indicate into you that level here, it's be in the bottom, guys. If it's not, what's going to happen? If they extend or they buy or they hedge against the risk of Bitcoin, you're going to see the Bitcoin going down to 10K, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? It's our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Look at it. Where you are now. You are in the bull control, guys. You go out from the bears control to the bulls control, guys. Should you buy? Yes, everything now, technical analysis is showing you are in a bull market, guys. And the one it will go to the overbought. But fundamental and macroeconomical also is still in a bad moment, guys. That's why me I told you, you should wait a little bit. Everything is too clear, guys? Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our other indicator, guys, what's it saying? As you see it, when it touch here the overbought, it show here a rejection. And what did I told you in the last video, guys? What did I told you me about that one? I tell you, it might is going to be like here. And it look the same, guys. Showing here, like, how it's going to go up. Should you buy? Me personally, I think not yet. But if it came and breaking for you that level here, breaking the 200 moving average, breaking the last high which is here, you can enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. But look with me. I'm going to show you something very important here, guys. Look at it. What you see in here, connecting those dots like that and connecting those dots like that, guys. What you see, what the market give you there, give you a triangle. That's what me I told you. If it came and break for you here, you enter long, guys. Take profit. Where is going to be? Here, the last peak, guys. Here, exactly here. It will going up more than that, but you here take some profit, guys. Here, take some profit. But should you enter now? Not yet, guys. The entry, only if it came and breaking for you here, that 200 moving average and that trend also withdraw or that triangle. That's how you need to enter, guys. Everything is too clear. But now me are thinking it's still more dangerous, guys, to enter. But if it came and breaking here, enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see the clear picture, what the market doing right now or what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. For the picture to be more clear to you guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, people, they follow me. What did I told you in the last video, guys? The last video just posted few hours ago. I told you go to here, head and shoulder. Yes or no? Here. I told you when it's breaking here, enter long, guys. You enter long. Tell here, guys. It's very simple and easy. And what did I told you here about the 200 moving average, guys? Look at it. Very flat. There is no power, guys, because the big whales and big players of the market, they know what me I'm talking about. They know the options they are going to expire this Friday, guys. So make a close eye at those options, how they are going to expire, guys. Everything is too clear. Everyone is waiting that, guys. And it's waiting tomorrow GDP, guys. Should you buy now? Me I think it's still early, guys. Still very, 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 very early, guys. Should you enter short, guys? Look with me. Here, what the market giving you, guys, here, look, here, like that and like that. What the market giving you, guys, a small channel or a flag or limit, whatever you want. What that indicating, guys, is a bull flag. Should you enter short now? If it came and break in here, you enter short, guys. Another thing here, what is indicating here? Look at it. Here, 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 and here. What that indicating to you, guys, is a double top. Should you enter short? If it's breaking the 200 moving average, guys, you enter short. Everything is too clear. Who's going to tell you if you're going to enter short or long? Is our indicator, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Look at it. Where you are. You are at the overbought, guys. Overbought area. And you are in a very stronger level, guys. Look at it. Very stronger level. If the market came and break the 200 moving average down, you enter short, guys. Take profit. Where is going to be, guys? Down here. Look at it. Look with me where I will start it from here. So let's do it together. You came like that, guys. The last low, which is here, guys. Stop loss. You put it a little bit high in that level, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. I think the Bitcoin is going to head for another run down, guys. Till news came, because you are in a very, very, very flat market, guys. There is no going up, no going down. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you after New Year open, guys. Bye for now, guys.